Hey, folks, this is Gary Gunn. I want you to grab a piece of paper. I want you to put down a quadrant that you see on the screen. 4 different sections on your quadrant there. Try it going up and down and across your paper. I want you to write the word willing in this quadrant, and I want you to write the word able in this quadrant with a smiley face. This quadrant, I want you to write unwilling, and this quadrant is unable. Sad face. Have you ever had an employee that was willing but unable? Have you ever had an employee that was able but unwilling? How do you move your people? How do you leverage your people and move them towards unable to able and unwilling to willing? You want to know more about these 4 quadrants and how to make that happen through mentoring and coaching, improved work performance. Give me a call, 270-282-1262. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.